She got the palm too.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, my name is Carlene. This is where we get everyday life situations here. I'm sitting here laying on the couch. I just got back from dropping my sewing machine off to get fixed so I can start crafting for the winter and the fall. I just wanted to pop in and talk about mental health. You guys, mental health is so important for your everyday life. I've been kind of under the weather mentally. I've been feeling unappreciated when it comes to my current situation of my employment. I'm at a point where I know my worth, and it's not that I just want to go on this tangent and I don't know, and demand things, because I'm not really demanding anything. I'm like the last person that advocates for myself, and in the last 3 years, I've gone from allowing people to walk all over me and step all over me and not really have a voice and not really say anything. And it's not really having a voice. It's not standing up with my voice. I just let people do what they want to do, and I don't really say anything. That's being towards my family, and outside of my home. I don't really try to get too close to people because I know how people are so disappointing, and and they they just bring you. I mean, they just bring so much disappointment to you because you put them on these pedestals that they don't deserve to be on. And I've done that a lot with people that I don't even know. I don't even want to even truly call them friends. I don't know because I never try to look for validation through people. I just live life, just going along how I, really not truly how I feel because if I'd have truly treated people according to how they treated me, I would be I would hurt a lot of people's feelings. Like I genuinely would hurt a lot of people's feelings. I've come across people. I'm a giving and a caring person. I would give my last. I volunteer. I have compassion for homeless. I have a deep love for veterans. I'm a really, really loving person. But however, I don't want people to see the other side of me. Because if you see the other side of me, oh my God, you wouldn't like the other side of me. I don't try to expose that other side of me because it's not worth it. And at the end of the day, the only person that hurts in the end of it is me. So I can be revengeful, or or grievous, or not grievance, egregious. I can be very egregious. Do I choose to be egregious? No. Do people do people get on my damn nerves? Yes. Do they get on my damn nerves all the time? Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I try not to get close to people. I really don't let people in. Like I really don't let people in my life. I don't let I say a lot and I tell you guys a lot, but do I let people really truly in my life? No, I don't. I don't. Um, even I'll say even in my relationship with my husband, it takes a whole lot. It takes a whole lot for me to tell him when I'm hurting, or when I'm feeling when I'm feeling unappreciated, or if I feel like I'm going through something or I'm depressed. It takes a lot out of me to give him that information. It's almost kind of like he has to literally pry it out of me. But however, I will share some things in my life that stresses me out, and I do live a life of I will express what's going on with me if it's a if that's how I'm feeling. If I'm in the position, or if I'm in a mood of like just spilling out everything that is concerning me, or everything that's bothering me, or everything that I'm just really baffled by, you will know. Um, I don't trust women. Women are the most contentious, selfish, absorbed, egotistical women. They are. And this is really, really true. And selfish. Women like to pay more attention to what their needs are, not versus what another person's needs are. I don't have a best friend because I choose not to have a best friend, because I don't trust people. My window of trust for people is very, very small. I don't have a trust for people. Like I'm always skeptical. I always got one eye. Yeah, I always like yes. And and what makes it so bad, I am a people watcher. I watch body language. I listen to how people talk. And how they're saying stuff. I watch, I just watch people like I do. I'm not a complainer. I'm not selfish. Like I said, I will give my last because I know God has brought me so far that if I give you my last, what in my spirit or what in my heart that I think I'm never going to get what I gave away. Furthermore, if I gave that away, I think he always allows, if I've given my last, he's always allowed a door to open and I get more than what I even gave out. Not to saying that I'm seeking for God to give me things. No. I'm not trying to be this goody two shoes or this perfect person, because once you cross me, whoo, I'm a horrible individual. Once you cross me, I'm a horrible individual. Like, your best bet is to leave me alone. Your best bet is to leave me alone.